The eruption of Krakatoa in 1883 stands as one of the most catastrophic and well-documented volcanic disasters in human history, both for its immediate destructive power and for its long-term global consequences. Krakatoa was a volcanic island located in the Sunda Strait between Java and Sumatra, a densely populated and strategically important maritime area. Volcanic activity had been observed for months before the main eruption, beginning in May 1883, with ash emissions, steam explosions, and increasing seismic unrest, which gradually intensified and alarmed local populations and passing ships. Despite these warning signs, the true scale of the impending catastrophe was unimaginable. On August 26th, the volcano entered a highly explosive phase, producing enormous columns of ash and pumice that rose tens of kilometers into the sky, accompanied by continuous detonations. The climax occurred on the morning of August 27th, when a series of 4 colossal explosions tore the island apart, the final one being so powerful that it is considered one of the loudest sounds ever recorded in history, heard nearly 5,000 kilometers away. The force of this explosion caused much of the volcanic structure to collapse into the emptied magma chamber beneath it, effectively destroying about 2/3 of the island and reshaping the geography of the region. The eruption released an immense amount of energy, generating shock waves that traveled around the Earth multiple times and were recorded by barometric instruments across the globe, providing scientists with unprecedented data on atmospheric wave propagation. One of the deadliest effects of the eruption was the generation of massive tsunamis caused by the collapse of the volcano and the displacement of huge volumes of seawater. These waves, some exceeding 30 meters in height, struck the coastlines of Java and Sumatra with devastating force, obliterating coastal settlements, ports, and entire communities, and accounting for the majority of the estimated 36,000 fatalities, though the true death toll may have been higher. Ships were carried kilometers inland, and entire towns were erased from the map within minutes. In the immediate aftermath, the region was plunged into chaos, with darkness caused by ash clouds, heavy pumice fall, and widespread destruction of infrastructure, agriculture, and fresh water supplies, leading to famine and disease among survivors. Enormous quantities of volcanic material were ejected into the atmosphere, including ash, dust, and sulfur-rich gases, some of which reached the stratosphere and spread around the planet. This atmospheric veil scattered sunlight, producing vivid and unusually colorful sunsets worldwide for several years, and leading to a measurable decrease in global temperatures, marking one of the earliest scientifically recognized examples of a volcanic eruption influencing Earth's climate on a global scale. The ecological impact was equally dramatic, as life on and around Krakatoa was almost entirely annihilated, with plant and animal species wiped out by heat, ash, and tsunamis. In the years that followed, scientists carefully observed the gradual recolonization of the islands by plants, insects, birds, and other organisms, making Krakatoa a classic natural laboratory for the study of ecological succession and biological dispersal. Volcanic activity in the area did not cease permanently, and in 1927, a new volcanic cone emerged from the sea at the site of the original volcano, named Anak Krakatau, meaning child of Krakatoa, which continues to grow and erupt intermittently. The 1883 eruption of Krakatoa not only reshaped the physical landscape of the region, but also transformed scientific understanding of volcanology, atmospheric science, and natural hazards, serving as a powerful reminder of the immense forces operating within the Earth and of the vulnerability of human societies to sudden and extreme natural events.